Hello everyone, welcome to our day 2 socket programming using Python. So today we are going to learn how to send file to client to server. Okay, so le- today I am define environment variable. Okay, if you want to change your IP address, you can change port number. You can change here. Only change here, it's change everywhere. So I am use environment variable. In case of production, we need to use like that. Okay, we don't use when I am using first my lecture, not like that. Okay, we use environment variable. Okay, you can see. So and for retrieve the environment variable in Python, we have decouple. Decouple is a library in Python. If you don't have in your system, you can install it using Python decouple. Okay, pip install Python decouple. Next, I need to configure the IP address in this variable. Okay, so next, in similar thing, I need to initialize the TCP connection. It's same using sock stream. Okay, next bind it, and after binding, I need to listen. Means after binding, I need to listen means waiting for the client. Okay, as soon as client hit the server, means server IP address and port, the server is catch the client. Okay, in similar word. And if I go in client, here you can see client socket, I initialize the TCP port, and next connect the server connection client address. Okay, first in this case I need to send my, in that case I said that I going to send my file to server. So for that, first I need to create a file. Okay, here I written I hi all, I am a developer. Okay, here you can see it's info.txt in data folder, and here in client, first I open the file for read it. Means when using open function, I open the file. Okay, and here I not use any exception, so it's not, if you want to use exception, you can use it. Okay, and using open function, after that I read the data in this file how which data is content is going to store in data variable. Next, send the file name. If I want to send the file data, so I need to also send the file name, which file name is contained in client's computer. So for that, I need to send info.txt. But remember, this is important. You need to send it also in encoded format. Okay. When I send it in encoded format in server, you can see it's accept the request in client. A new client is connected. First, receive the file name. Okay. It's receive the file name and decode it. After decode, receiving the file name is that name, it's print in my terminal. And next, I use open function in write mode. Here you can see I am using read mode. Means in that case, the file is not created, it's only read the file. Okay, if the file is not here, it's give me exception. And in that case, I use write mode. So in this case, if file is not in my folder, so file is created. Okay, So you're going to see it. And next, connection send, file received. After file received in encode, it also need to send in encoded format. And here you can see, after send file, the message from client, some message is sent, server message is sent. Means message means this message. File received. Okay. And in next part, I need to send also file data, which means which data this file is contain. So for that, I I already stored the data of this file in data variable. So you can see I encode the information and send it. After sending, so which the server do? The server is catch the information and decode it. After catch, receive and decode using same format and receive the data successfully. And file dot write means it's going to read write the same data in which file name he received. Okay. And the connection send file data received. Okay. And next you need to close the file. Remember, if you open the file with command, so you need to close it because it's closed automatically. If I because I use open without with, so I need to close manually. If you not close, your RAM will be jam means slow. Okay. And I need to close the connection also. You can see. So let's show you. And here you can see I received the message and close the file and connection also. Okay. So let's run one by one. First, I need to run the server. So let's open the terminal. I need two terminal. One for server and one for client. So let's run for server. You can see server is listening. So let's go in client and run the client. In this case, we are not going to give any input. I am already retained the information. Okay. So you can see TCP, its client. Here you can see the file received, the data received. In client, we are going to get last these two information. You can see I told you already. And here if you go, here you can see new client is come in 60526 port, connected and received the file name info.txt, received data successful. And you can see the connection is disconnect with that IP address. Okay, but server is my running. If you want to see the information, you can see this is the new file which is created and which I give the information is in data folder, and it is my main folder. Okay, in same information which I have. Okay, you can see. So thank you. See you in next video.